Photographers are expressing excitement about the upcoming Nikon Z6 IV. This camera has long been regarded as Nikon's versatile hybrid workhorse. Rumors indicate that the Z6 IV may introduce significant advancements, particularly addressing two key questions. Can it achieve higher resolution without compromising speed? And can it rival professional-level video capabilities while remaining affordable? Let's explore. Body speculation points to an early 2026 announcement for a model tailored for hybrid shooters. But the biggest talking point is a potential new sensor in the 30 to 33 megapixel range, a significant jump from the Z6 IX's 24.5 megapixel sensor. Early rumors suggest a full-frame BSI design for better low-light performance and reduced rolling shutter effects. Autofocus is another corner where Nikon can't afford to play catch-up. The Z6 III borrowed a lot of tech from the Z8 and Z9, and that set a high bar, but the chatter around the Z6 IV hints at something even more refined. Enthusiasts are suggesting flagship-level AF performance, with subject detection algorithms that could put it closer to the Z9's deep learning tracking than anything Nikon has ever put in a mid-tier body. This could lead to quicker and more reliable focus on faces, animals, and fast-moving subjects, with better tracking during video. Then there's image stabilization, a feature where every millimeter counts. The Z6 III's IBIS is already impressive, but rumors suggest Nikon might go even further here with a system that rivals the best in the business, possibly through tighter lens body sync or enhanced gyro control. Speaking of video, this is where the Z6 IV rumors get insanely tempting. Many leaks hint at internal 6K RAW recording, possibly in both NRAW and ProRes formats, which would put the Z6 IV in league with cameras that cost thousands more. Add to that a full sensor 4K readout at 60 frames per second, plus a high bitrate 4K at 120 frames per second. Mode for slow motion, and you suddenly have a body that could handle cinematic work without an external recorder. Combine that with expectations of minimal rolling shutter, hotter heat management so it doesn't shut down mid-take, and cleaner onboard audio paths. Ergonomics and usability are crucial, and it seems Nikon will stick to what works well. Expect a body with the beloved grip and button layout, plus upgrades like a brighter, higher-resolution EVF, a flexible tilting and swiveling rear screen, and improved thermal solutions for long video shoots. Storage is likely to combine a CF Express Type B slot with a UHS 2 SD slot. All of this comes with the usual camera industry caveat. Nothing is official until Nikon confirms the Z6 IV. However, the consistency of rumors regarding the sensor, AF improvements, IBIS, and video upgrades suggests ambitious plans. Pricing is rumored to be around $3,000 for the body only. A modest increase over the Z6 III, but likely worth it if the specs align with current discussions. Thank you for tuning in. The Nikon Z6 IV rumors are generating excitement in the mid-range hybrid camera market, suggesting a model that blends higher resolution, pro-grade video, and refined autofocus. This may appeal to wedding shooters and filmmakers, making the Z6 IV a highly anticipated upgrade as we approach the 2026 reveal. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.